Amazon box here, not my Amazon, my Motorola box here. Should be my Moto Z2 Force Moto Folio. Got my Jeep knife. Still haven't cleaned it. Yes, I don't know why I only cut part of it. That makes no sense. Alright, so there's my Folio. Motorola Moto Mods. Nothing super exciting on the back. I'm just going to tear this guy open. It's kind of a rubbery texture. Room for a card, probably. This is hard. Alright, so here's the thickness of my Moto Z2 Force with the Incipio battery pack on. Let's see, it connects. No problem. And there's your thickness. You can see. There was a question online whether or not the folio actually stayed closed. It does. I'm holding it by just the frame. Well, that's why you have a Moto Z2 Force. See, unbreakable. Dropped it, no damage. Alright, now we're back in here. So the question would be, so I'm trying to hold it just by the metal part. If it magnetizes closed, it does, right? Because if you flip it down, you can see it kind of catching there, right? But let go right here, it sort of catches, right? So it definitely magnetizes shut. It may not on non-Z2 Forces, but as far as Z2 Force, it definitely does. A little protection there for the camera, a little nub. As soon as you open it up, comes on, boom. Now, obviously, if you flip it around, it's not going to, it's going to block the camera, right? Yeah, the question online was, is it going to hold more than one card? So, let's try my old Kroger Plus card. Slap that in there. Alright, I'm going to take my card. I can have on camera here. I'm going to try my old Sam's Club card. So we're going to see. I mean, in theory, you could fit two back there. It still closes. So yeah, well, it's not as magnetized, but you can fit two in there. No problem. I don't know, you can get two out super easy. You gotta take them both out. Yeah, I still probably shove as many as fit in there, really. Seems like you got some space. I don't know if you can see how stretchy that is. But yeah, I would think it would work. Yeah, my screen's dirty. I do like this case. So I also have the LG V20, which is the one I'm filming this on. And so let's grab try to put some light on there, see if that makes a difference. There we go. There's some light. Trying to show the texture. I would call it rubber, maybe. It's got little grooves in there. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up or not. It seems to be pretty quality, really. When I dropped my phone to the floor, it did pop out, but it's pretty high drop, 3 feet plus probably. Open up, fingerprint, boom. Yes, I like that. So like I said, same with my Moto Z2, my LG V20. I like these kind of folio cases for when I'm at a location like a job site and I need some privacy. I'll just flip it up like this. So if you're over here, you don't know what I'm doing. Obviously over here you can still see, but here I can just flip up and I can talk all about you right now. I'll be like, this guy sucks. Alright, but yeah, well, I paid $11 for this, so it's hard to complain for 11 bucks. I like it. If they had wireless charging in here, this could be my daily driver, right? I'll hook this guy up for wireless charging. There's no charging in here. You make this guy with wireless charging in the back, you got yourself a winner. You put a little tiny battery in there, I don't really care. Wireless charging is what I'd go for. I can just put it on my nightstand and wireless charge. Because when I use this back, my wife complains that this guy lights up the room because it flashes on constantly. So we have this cover over there. That'll be good to go. Alright. So, for 11 bucks, I'm giving this a thumbs up. For 30 bucks, it's a tough sell probably. But it's quality. 11 bucks, 15 bucks. It's a pretty good deal. So, I was putting this away. I was getting ready to look. I thought I should add on this. Look how big this book is. Well, it's... How many pages of English we got here? Look how big this book is. For the folio. That's the only thing in here. Seems excessive. It's only one page of words, I guess, and then the rest is different languages. But come on. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. I like this color. Alright, yeah. I like this folio. It's pretty cool. Add to the collection. And hopefully it still works when the old Z3 comes out. Well, there's a little gap there. Look, this is where I dropped my... So this here, I dropped my Z2 Force from my lap in my Jeep Wrangler to pavement when I was going to Waffle House. That's the only mark I had. And I didn't have a case on it. I just had a style show. Alright. Now we're done for sure.